Good morning, friends. In today's lecture of first order ODE, we will discuss about separable variable method for the first degree first order homogeneous differential equation. First of all, a differential equation of the form dy by dx equal to m of xy upon n of xy is called homogeneous differential equation in first order if m and n are homogeneous functions of same degree in variables x and y. Here m of xy and n of xy are same degree homogeneous functions. To solve this type of differential equation, we take y equal to vx or y by x equal to v. Therefore, dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now, after putting the value of dy by dx in the original equation, dy by dx equal to m of xy upon n of xy, we get v plus x dv by dx equal to m of x vx upon n of x vx. These are the functions of g and g of vx. Now we can simplify, or we can easily separate the variables x and g from the equation number 2. Now we can apply the separable variable method for variables x and v. After solving this differential equation by separable variable method, we put v equal to y by x in the general solution. Then we finally get the general solution in terms of x and y. So let us see some examples related to this topic. First of all, we are taking dy by dx equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x. In the numerator function, we have a y plus under root x square plus y square. In this case, the degree of the numerator function will be 1. And in the denominator function, we have only x and its degree is also 1. Therefore, dy by dx can be written like this: y by x plus under root x square plus y square upon x. Now we are taking x common from the second part of the right hand side. Then dy by dx equal to y by x plus x into under root 1 plus y by x the whole square upon x. Now this is the homogeneous differential equation, or right hand side will be a homogeneous functions, and it can be easily converted into y by x form. Now we are taking y by x equal to v. Then y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. We will replace dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx in the equation, homogeneous differential equation. We get v plus x dv by dx equal to v plus under root 1 plus v square. Now we cancel from the both side, then we get x dv by dx equal to under root 1 plus v square. Now we write the all terms of v on left hand side and all the terms of x on right hand side. After applying the separable variable method, we are taking the integration both side. Left side we are taking the integration with respect to v, and right side we are taking the integration with respect to x. Then we get log mod v plus under root 1 plus v square, that is equal to log x plus log c. Here we have all terms have a log, so we are taking log c as an arbitrary constant. After simplifying and putting v equal to y by x, we get, and removing the log, we get y by x plus under root 1 plus y by x whole square equal to xc. After simplifying, we can get final solution. General solution is y plus under root x square plus y square equal to x square c. That is our general solution in terms of x and y, and c is arbitrary constant in this equation. So finally y plus under root x square plus y square equal to x square c be a general solution of the given differential equation. So that is the method to solve homogeneous differential equation in first order, first degree. Let us see one more example. Here x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy equal to 0. We also first order first degree homogeneous differential equation, because we can write this equation like dy by dx equal to x square plus y square upon 2xy. In this case, we can divide whole numerator and numerator by x square. We get 1 plus y by x the whole square upon 2 into y by x, and this will be a homogeneous function. Now we have a first order first degree homogeneous ODE. So we are taking y by x equal to v or y equal to vx to solve this differential equation. Then dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Put this value of dy by dx in the our homogeneous differential equation. We get v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square upon 2v. Therefore, x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square upon 2v minus v. After simplifying, we get 1 minus v square upon 2v. Finally, x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square 2v upon 2v. Now, we apply the separable variable method for this differential equation, and we arrange the all terms of v on left hand side. Therefore we have a 2v upon 1 minus v square dv equal to 1 by x dx. Therefore we have a 2v upon v square minus 1 dv equal to minus 1 by x dx. Here we are taking minus right hand side. Now integrating both sides with respect to v on left hand side and x on right hand side. Therefore we have a integration 2v upon v square minus 1 dv that is equal to minus integration minus integration 1 by x. Here we have a derivative of the function in numerator and function in denominator. Therefore we take the integration left side, we get log v square minus 1 equal to minus log x plus log c. Here also we are taking log c as an arbitrary constant because we have a log in each term. After removing log, we get v square minus 1 equal to c by x. We will put v equal to y by x in the differential equation solution. We get y by x whole square minus 1 equal to c by x. After simplifying, we get y square minus x square upon x square equal to c by x. After finally we have a general solution is y square minus x square equal to cx. Let us see one more example. Example number 3 is x square y dx minus x cube plus xy square dy equal to 0. Here dy by dx equal to x square y upon x cube plus xy square. To convert into the homogeneous form, we will divide whole numerator and denominator terms by x in the differential right hand side of the differential equation. We get y by x upon 1 plus y square by x square. That is our first order, first degree homogeneous linear ODE. To solve this, we are taking y equal to vx or y by x equal to v. We get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. And now dy by dx equal to 1 y by x upon 1 plus y by x the whole square. Left side will be, after putting the dy by dx value from here, we get v plus x dv by dx equal to v upon 1 plus v square. Now we have a x dv by dx equal to v upon 1 plus v square minus v. That is equal to v into 1 plus v square, 1 upon 1 plus v square minus v square. After simplifying, we get x dv by dx equal to minus v cube upon 1 plus v square. We convert all the terms of v on left hand side, then we get 1 plus v square upon v cube dv equal to minus 1 by x dx. Now we are taking the integration both side with respect to left side with respect to v and right side with respect to x. We have an integration v raised to minus 3 plus 1 upon v dv equal to minus integration 1 upon x. After solving, finally we get minus 2 upon v square plus log v equal to log c by x. To remove, we put the value of v y by x in the equation. We get minus 2 upon y by x plus log y by x plus log c by x. We are taking all the terms of log on right hand side. Then we have minus 2x upon y equal to log c by x minus log y by x. After solving, we get minus 2 by x equal to log c by y. Now to remove log both side, we get, after removing the log both side, we get c by y equal to e raised to minus 2x by y. So finally our solution is e raised to minus 2x by y equal to cy. That is our general solution. Now we will discuss about the first order first degree linear ODE, a differential equation of the type dy by dx plus pxy plus equal to qx, known as first order first degree linear ODE. To solve this differential equation, we multiply with the integrating factor e raised to px dx both sides. Then we get derivative of integrating factor into y left side, and right side will be qx into integrating factor. Now we are integrating both sides with respect to x. Then left side will be integration of derivative of integrating factor into y, that is directly integrable. So we get general solution equal to integrating factor into y equal to integration of qx into integrating factor dx plus c. Finally, in this case, we get easily solution by multiplying the whole equation with integrating factor. Let us see more examples of first order first degree linear equation. Here we are taking x plus 1 dy by dx minus y equal to 3 e raised to 3x x plus 1 whole square. Dy by dx minus 1 upon x plus 1 y equal to e raised to 3x upon into x plus 1. That is first order first degree linear ordinary differential equation. In this case, px is minus 1 upon 1 plus x and qx is e raised to 3x into x plus 1. So we are taking integrating factor equal to e raised to px dx, that is e raised to minus 1 upon 1 plus x, that is equal to e raised to log minus log x plus 1. That can be written like this: e raised to log x plus 1 raised to minus 1, that is equal to 1 upon x plus 1. Multiplying whole equation 1 by integrating factor both sides, then we get 1 upon x plus 1 dy by dx minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square y equal to e raised to 3x. Now left side will be a derivative of integrating factor, that is 1 upon x plus 1 into y, and right side is only e raised to 3x. Integrating both sides with respect to x, we get integration of derivative of y upon x plus 1 dx, that is equal to integration of e raised to 3x. After solving left side, we get only y into integrating factor, that is y into 1 upon x plus 1 equal to e raised to 3x upon 3 plus c by 3. Here we are taking c by 3 as the arbitrary constant. Now multiply whole equation by 3. We get 3y equal to x plus 1 e raised to 3x plus c into x plus 1. Let us see one more example. Dy by dx plus 10xy equal to sine 2x. Here we are taking initial value problem y of 0 equal to 0. First of all, we solve the differential equation. Here differential equation is first order first degree linear ODE. In this case, px is 10x and qx is sine 2x. Now integrating factor is e raised to integration of px, that is e raised to integration of 10x. We know the integration of 10x is log sec x. Therefore integrating factor is e raised to log sec x, that is equal to log sec x. Multiply whole equation 1 by integrating factor log sec x both sides, then we get log sec x dy by dx plus 10x sec x dy equal to sin 2x into sec x. Therefore, left side will be derivative of integrating factor into y and right side is sin 2x into sec x. After solving this right side, we get the only 2 sin x on right side and integration of derivative of sec x into y with respect to x is equal to integration of 2 sin x dx. After integrating left side, we get only integrating factor into y, that is sec x into y, that is equal to right side is minus 2 cos x plus c, that is our general solution for the given differential equation dy by dx plus 10x y equal to sin 2x. Now we have initial values y of 0 is 0, that is x equal to 0, then y equal to 0. Put the x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in the general solution. Therefore we have a left side is 0 and right side is minus 2 cos 0 plus c. After simplifying, we get c equal to 2, that is our particulars. Therefore our particular solution is y sec x equal to minus 2 cos x plus 2. Let us see more examples. Solve the differential equation dy by dx plus y upon x square equal to 6 e raised to 1 by x. Dy by dx equal to 1 upon x square y equal to 6 e raised to 1 by x. Here px is 1 upon x square and qx is 6 e raised to 1 upon x. If integrating factor is e raised to px dx, that is e raised to minus 1 upon x. Multiply with the integrating factor both sides to the equation 1, we get e raised to minus 1 upon x dy by dx plus e raised to minus 1 upon x square y equal to 6 times e raised to 1 upon x into e raised to minus 1 upon x. Left side is derivative of integrating factor into y. Here integrating factor is e raised to minus 1 upon x. Therefore left side is equal to derivative of y into integrating factor e raised to minus 1 upon x, that is, and right side is 6 only. Integrating both sides with respect to x, we get left side is y into integrating factor and right side is 6x plus c, that is our general solution. Now we take the one special type of differential equation, linear differential equation, that is known as Bernoulli's nonlinear ODE. Here our original equation is in nonlinear form, but we convert into the linear and then solve the differential equation. A equation of the form dy by dx plus pxy equal to qxy raised to n is known as first order Bernoulli's nonlinear equation. To solve this differential equation, we are dividing whole equation by y raised to n. So we get 1 upon y raised to n dy by dx plus px y raised to 1 minus n equal to qx. Take the y raised to 1 minus n equal to u. After solving this, after taking the derivative both sides with respect to x, we get 1 upon y raised to n dy by dx equal to du by dx upon into 1 upon 1 minus n. Now du by dx equal to, we put the value of dy by dx in the equation number 2. Then we get du by dx plus 1 minus n px u plus 1 minus n qx. That here 1 minus n is constant. So equation number 3 is our first order first degree linear ODE in variable u and x. Solve the Therefore, solution of the linear ODE 3 is integrating factor into u is equal to integrating factor into 1 minus nqx dx. After integrating both sides, we get the final solution. Here, integrating factor is e raised to integration of 1 minus npx, because here whole equation is multiplied with 1 minus n. When we are taking u equal to y raised to 1 minus n. And in the last step, we put the value of u, that is y raised to 1 minus n. Let us see one example for that. Dy by dx plus 2y upon x equal to x square y square, that is first order Bernoulli's equation. Divide whole equation with y square, then we get y raised to minus 2 dy by dx plus 2 by x y upon y square equal to x square, that is y raised to minus 2 dy by dx plus 2 by x y raised to minus 1 equal to x square, y raised to minus 1 equal is u. Then we have a y raised to minus 2 dy by dx equal to minus du by dx. That value put in the equation number 2, we get minus du by dx plus 2 by x u equal to x square. That can be written like this: du by dx minus 2 by x u equal to x square. That is our first order first degree ODE in u and x. Now solution is integrating factor into u equal to integration of qx. Here qx is our x square only, and integrate qx into integrating factor dx. Now integrating factor is integration of e raised to px dx, that is integration of 2 minus 2 by x dx e raised to minus 2 log x, that can be converted into 1 upon x square. Now whole equation multiply with 1 upon x square, equation number 3, then we get u upon x square equal to integration of x square into 1 upon x square dx plus c. So left side will be u upon x square equal to 1 dx plus c. Therefore we get finally u upon x square equal to x plus c. Now we will put the value of u. Here we are taking u equal to u raised to y raised to minus 1, that is 1 upon y. So we replace u by 1 upon y in the last step. Then we get 1 upon x square y equal to x plus c. That is our general solution. Thank you very much.